Hi, in this video, I'm going to show how you can create a database, a user, a collection, and a document in MongoDB. First thing, you need to start your Mongo shell. This is where we can do all of the queries needed. If you do not know how to start Mongo shell, all you have to do is go to your MongoDB file path and then over there, navigate over to a folder called server. After that, choose the MongoDB version that you have that is compatible to your OS. And then go to bin folder. After that, type in Mongo to start Mongo shell. Once you have this cursor, it means that you are already in Mongo shell and you're good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is to see if there are any existing databases in your MongoDB. Maybe you have created it earlier. So in order to list existing databases, you simply can use this command show dbs. So over here you see admin, config, and local. It means that this is a fresh new MongoDB instance or service that's running. There's no database that has been created by a user. Let's create a database called Dominoes. So the command would be use Dominoes, and therefore it shows that you have been switched to DB Dominoes. We know for a fact that we haven't created this Dominoes database, but in MongoDB it will actually find out or search automatically on its own if this Dominoes DB already existed. If it hasn't, it will create a new one called Dominoes. If you want to know whether you're already using a specific database, all you have to do is use this command db. So that shows that right now we are working in the Dominoes database. Alright, the next thing that you may want to do is to create a database user. So let's say I want to create a user called Brad with the password 1234, and I'm going to give Brad a DB admin role. So I will create a DB user. Okay, named Brad with the password 1234. Okay, and I'm going to give the roles, okay, of read, write, and DB admin. Okay, and I'm going to close with a curly brace and a bracket as well as a semicolon. Okay, so there it shows that we have successfully created a user, alright, in our Dominoes database. Okay, in order for us to start creating documents and inserting elements or values inside those documents, we need to create a collection. A collection is similar to a table in a relational database. It is a placeholder that holds all of the different documents. Alright, so let's say I would like to create a collection called customers. So the command would be this. Okay, so one collection has been created. So if you want to see all of the collections that you have created, you can use this command show collections. Okay, so now if let's say the collection that you created is incorrect, or you simply want to delete this collection, so what you can do is simply to use this command db customers.drop. Okay, and if it says true, then it means that this operation is successful. We can always use the show collections command to see if our collection has successfully been deleted. So the next thing that we can do is to start creating a new document. So basically what we're doing is that we are creating a document inside a collection, and therefore we have the customers collection. So we can do this command, okay, db customers, which is the collection, okay, and we're doing an insert, and we have the bracket and the square and the curly braces. This curly brace is indicating our document. So in our document, the first name value would be John, first name John, okay. So let's say the first name is John, and then we want to add a last name to this document, okay, which is Doe, John Doe. And then after that, we close it with a curly brace to close the document, and then the bracket as well as a semicolon. Alright, so if it shows an inserted one, it means that MongoDB has successfully inserted one document into the collection called customers. So there we have it. We've created a database, a user, a collection, and a document in our MongoDB database.